Guys, good morning. So it's already 8 p.m. Actually kagigising ko lang. Hindi naman masyado obvious. So ayun nga, dahil dyan is magka-copy muna tayo. So I have a little story to you guys. Medyo unbothering pa rin ako sa mga nangyayari sa buhay ko, but now I am trying to basta yun lang syempre kailangan nating maging masaya as always, kahit hindi naman dapat. I'm just trying to become a confident person, kaya nga ako nagbablog, para naman lang sa ganun na ma-issue ko yung basta yun. So yun lang guys, let's have a great morning. Thank you for watching.